Okay. Becca, what do you say?
It's for Christmas, you.
Say thank you.
Thank you, Christmas, you.
Thank you, Miss Karen.
Missing Karen.
Say I love them. You gonna put them in your washer and dryer? Okay.
Elmer is gonna sleep here tonight. Is right here in the kitchen.
She gonna sleep by the kitchen?
Right here is the kitchen. Oh, I gotta get a mat for Katie. For Katie. For Katie sleeps in here all the time. We do.
Who made those blankets for you?
Miss Karen.
Miss Karen? Does she sew real pretty?
And hers at my old school.
No, she lives in Florida.
With
She
her
lives right by Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Yeah. And Disney World.
Disney
Where Jasmine lives.
and Sassam.
Jasmine. Who else lives in Disney World?
Giselle.
Giselle.
Cinderella.
Cinderella.
Minnie Mouse.
Does Tinkerbell live there?
Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell.
Mary Smith.
Who?
Mary Smith. Silver Mist.
Silver Mist. Oh.
Tinkerbell's friend.
Okay.
What? Which one?
Does Ariel live there?
Ariel.
Ariel. Can you tell Miss Karen thank you?
Thank you.
How much do you like them?
Yeah, mine.
Do you love them?
Uh-huh.
How much do you?
Katie. Katie. Get off, Katie. Ah! Hey guys, can I put my doll back to sleep with the blanket?
Hey, Becca, where are your
Becca, that's my little babies.
Are your baby dolls sleeping in the washer and dryer?
Hey, Becca,
No?
I know my babies are cold.
Okay. Becca, Rachel, would you like to say something to Miss Karen?
Yeah. Did
What?
she give me something?
No, she made those for Becca. You just want to say hi to her? You want to tell her to tell somebody at Disney World hi? You want her to say hi to... Okay, ask her.
Miss Karen, can you say hi to Tinkerbell?
Okay. You love Tinkerbell?
Yeah.
Okay, say, now let's tell her bye-bye.
Bye.
Can you tell her bye-bye?
Goodbye.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Night-night.
Merry